Your new Chase credit card has arrived in the mail. We are going to walk through the standard steps required to activate it for use. Before you begin the digital setup, gather 3 items: the physical card, a pen, and the smartphone or linked Chase email account. Having these tools ready prevents the banking portal from timing out while you search for them, ensuring you can move through the security checks without interruption. The first step is physical. Turn the card over and use your pen to sign the signature panel. As shown here, signing the back of the card is a standard requirement. This signature serves as a basic verification method for any in-person transactions where a merchant needs to confirm your identity. Once the card is signed, you have completed the physical portion of the protocol and are ready to move into the digital banking environment. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go directly to chase.com. On the official Chase portal, enter your existing username and password into the sign-in fields. If you already have a Chase account for other services, use those credentials. Do not create a new account, as this can lead to technical errors and split profiles. Signing in with your established profile automatically connects the new card to your existing banking identity. After you sign in, navigate to the section of your dashboard specifically for credit accounts. Within the Credit Card section of the Accounts menu, click on the listing for your new card. On the summary page for that card, locate and click the blue Activate Card button, found just below the account details. Opening the specific card summary ensures the activation command applies only to this new asset, without affecting your other accounts. Chase will now require a secondary verification step to confirm that you are the authorized user. Choose whether you want to receive a security code via text message or email, then click Send Code. Check your device for a message containing a 6-digit verification code. Type that code into the entry field on the screen and click the Verify button to proceed. If the code does not arrive or you enter it incorrectly, you can use the Resend Code link to try again. Completing this step proves you have access to both your digital credentials and your registered contact methods, satisfying the bank's security requirements. When you see the green checkmark and the message, "Your card is activated," the system has processed your request. The text below indicates that the card ending in your specific 4 digits is now active and ready for use. This confirmation means the card status has been updated in the Chase system and you can begin using it immediately. Your card is now functional for in-person purchases, digital wallet transactions, and online payments. For your security, if this card replaces an old or expired one, make sure to destroy the old card immediately. You can use the Chase mobile app to monitor your transactions and track your balance in real time. By completing these physical and digital steps, you have linked the card to your profile and enabled it for full use.